Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Spotlight Search on your Mac. Spotlight is a built-in tool that helps you quickly find apps, files, settings, and even get quick answers, right from your desktop. To open Spotlight, simply press Command plus Spacebar on your keyboard. You'll see the Spotlight search bar appear in the center of your screen. Now let's try a few examples. If you type the name of an app, like Safari or Notes, you can launch it instantly by pressing Return. Spotlight can also search your files. For instance, type in the name of a document or image, and it will show up in the results. But that's not all. Spotlight can also do quick calculations. Just type something like 250 plus 75, and the answer will appear instantly. You can even convert units. Type $100 to euros, or 10 kilometers to miles, and you'll see the result right away. Spotlight is also great for searching the web. Just type in a question or keyword, and you'll get suggestions from the internet, maps, and even Siri knowledge. Once you find what you're looking for, just hit Return to open it, or use the arrow keys to preview more details. And that's it. Spotlight Search is one of the fastest ways to navigate your Mac and find exactly what you need without wasting time.